Welcome back. Aryan Khan has skipped the Narcotics Bureau summons in Mumbai cruise drug bust case. Superstars Shah Rukh Khan's son was asked to appear before the probe agency on Sunday for questioning, but he did not show up. Sources have told India Today that Aryan Khan cited illness and expressed his inability to join the probe on Sunday, and he's likely to join the investigation today. Aryan had been granted conditional bail on 20th October by Bombay High Court. He was asked to cooperate with the NCB as one of the conditions for the bail. The cruise drug seizure case in which Aryan Khan was arrested last month was transferred from NCB Mumbai Zonal Unit to the SIT team on Friday. DDG Sanjay Singh has taken over 6 cases that were being led by NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, who is currently facing a departmental probe on extortion allegations.
मैं बाई नेम नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन जो आवश्यक होंगे सबको बुलाऊंगा।
लेकिन कितने लोगों को बुलाएगा सर आज? कितने?
मैं बाई नेम नहीं बताऊंगा।
नाम मत बताइए।
प्लीज मेरी जांच को प्रभावित करने वाली कोई भी चीज़ मैं नहीं बोलूँगा।
अच्छा, लेकिन फिर भी कितने लोग अमूमन संख्या बता सकते हैं?
संख्या बता दीजिए।
मैं आज प्रभाकर साहिल जी की उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ, बाकी आगे देखते हैं।
So what is expected today as far as the Aryan Khan case is concerned? Let's bring that to you on your screens right now. New NCB probe team to question Aryan Khan. This is what is expected today. Shah Rukh Khan's manager, Pooja Dadlani's questioning is also scheduled for today. Then grilling of witness Prabhakar Sail is going to happen today as well. Questioning of mastermind Sunil Patil is going to take place. The NCB probe teams at drug bust extortion spots, and they will be conducting further probes. SIT may seek court nod to question Gosavi as well. Witness Sam D'Souza's statement is also going to be recorded. Pankaj is now joining us live for the very latest details from Mumbai. Pankaj, there are just way too many players now in this particular case, and for the uninitiated, if you could explain the role of each of these players, the allegations, and what can be expected today. Over to you, Pankaj.
Yes, Chetty. So important day in Mumbai because you have 2 teams of the NCB in Mumbai who started the investigation. First here at the NCB headquarters, we have the SIT being headed by Sanjay Singh. We all know that Arbaz Merchant and Achit Kumar have already given their statements on camera yesterday. Aryan Khan, importantly, has also been summoned. Yesterday he did not appear. Sources maintain that either today or tomorrow he might come in and record his statement as well. On the other hand, you have the NCB vigilance team, which is taking statements of all the people connected with the case at suburban area of Bandra. Importantly, as far as the NCB vigilance team is concerned, it is going to do field rounds today. One is it is going to go to the suburban area of Lower Parel, to the exact location where the extortion deal had taken place. They already have the footage where the car of KP Gosavi was seen along with Pooja Dadlani. So they're going to visit that particular place. After that, the team is also going to go to the cruise terminal. It is expected that by 12 noon, the Cordelia cruise liner is going to reach the Mumbai ports, and their investigation in the cruise ship is also going to start there. The NCB vigilance team is being headed by Gyaneshwar Singh. There are 7 members in it. Earlier there were 5, now there are 7 members in it, and they will be starting their investigation today. Also, the vigilance team is going to take a statement of Prabhakar Sail, the independent witness who had made serious allegations of extortion on NCB officials, including the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede. Now, his lawyers maintain that he can appear before the NCB by 2:30. His lawyers also maintain that Prabhakar Sail stands his ground on whatever he had said earlier as well. To the question asked by India Today that earlier he did not appear before the vigilance team and that the team had to return to Delhi, the lawyers maintained that earlier procedures were not followed, but now summons have been received, and today by 2:30 he's going to appear before the vigilance team.
All right, Pankaj, we'll keep coming back to you for all the updates right there. Thanks so much for joining us and breaking this down for our viewers at the moment. It's a wrap from me, Chetty Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or go ahead and download our app. I'm seeing you just about a bit with the top headlines, so stay with us.